So let's read the data in MIT App Inventor app from Google Sheet. And we are going to use here the Google Sheet component. Okay. So let's click on the new project, and my project name is read data, and that's simple app, and we are going to use here that storage, and you can see the spreadsheet. Okay, just drag and drop this like this. Okay, now how we can read it? It's very simple. Create a Google Sheet. Okay, I'm going to use here the blank spreadsheet here, and let's put some data. Okay, so you can see the name and emails. I have this data. Okay, you can put any data here. Okay, now what I need to do whenever so I'm going to create an app where I want to read an email ID from the name. Okay, so if I suppose put the Zach, so I need an email ID like this one. Okay, now how we can read it? So first of all, we need to just make sure the sheet name is like TCB new data, and I'm going to just click on share, and that should be anyone with this link. Make it copy like this, just view only. We just need to paste that URL here, and you can see the 1-3 this after the day. You just need to copy that URL. Okay, this is our ID. Let me show you in the VS Code also. Just copy the URL, go here, and as you can see here, this one, all right, after the D, you can see this is the Google Sheet ID till C, this one. Just copy this. Okay, go here in your app and just paste that ID here. Simple. If you want to update or delete something, then you need to create a Google developer account. This is the another process. Okay, here in this video we are going to learn how we can read the data. Okay, now this is our ID, this is spreadsheet. Now I'm going to just add here one label. So let's read a simple first. Okay, so whenever someone click on this button, I need the data of this particular cell like A3, or you can just call it B2 for email ID like this. Okay, so it's very simple. Now let's go to the block, and whenever someone click on this button like this, click on a spreadsheet, and you will see here, scroll down, you can see the read a cell. Okay, just call this. As you can see, sheet name is sheet 1. Go here and you can see that this is a sheet 1 like this. Go here. Now cell reference. Cell reference is very simple. It's like I want to read data of the A column to Charlie. Okay, I want to read Charlie. So A6, this is A6. So if whenever I just say type here A6, so this code will read this data. Okay, so how we can display that data in our app? So it's very simple. Whenever someone click on this, so we'll get the data here. Okay, where when got cell data, scroll down, you can see the got cell data, this one, and I need to display that data in the label 1.text like this, and the cell data like this. Simple as that. Let's run this, how this will work. Let's click on the button now. Now you can see this is the Charlie. Okay, you can just increase the font size of Charlie here, like font size like 30, so you can get to see this is Charlie. We can change here anything, like we can add any number here like this, B16. Okay, Isabella. So B16, if I will just choose B16 like this, or we can use this as an input value also. Okay, as a text box. Now let's take a text box. Okay, and whenever some user put any name, like suppose Noah or Harry, okay, so we need an email ID of that name. Okay, so how we can do this? So it's very simple. I'm going to just design this first. Okay, I'm going to just add here text box here. My user email is here, and that going to be at least 20, and the button is like get email. I'm gonna make all the things in a center like this, and text box is going to be with 70%. I'm gonna just change the background color to the black or maybe pink, something black, and I'm gonna just make it white. So as you can see, this is my email ID, this is my text box. Whenever we put any name here, so I need an email ID of that person here. So how we can do this? So it's very simple. Let's go to the block. Now here we are getting the read cell. Okay, cell. Now I need a first whole column. Okay, to fetch our names, and then we will call the email ID from the name. Okay, so how we can do this? So it's a column. So simply spreadsheet, go here, you can see the read column, this one, call it. So first we'll call read column here. Okay, and which sheet? We all know that the sheet 1. Okay, call it here like this. And which column? The column is A. This is A, and this column is B. Okay, so go to the MIT App Inventor and just copy paste like this, and this column is like this. Okay, this is a nice. Now we are reading this column. Now we have all these names. Okay, so we need to store these names somewhere. Okay, and we need a data. Okay, so we can do this. It's very simple. Click on the spreadsheet and you will see here the option of got column data, this one. Now we have a column data, so we need to store that column data in a list. Okay, so I'm going to just create a simple list. Okay, and this is the data like this, and I'm going to just create a list and empty list like this. So I'm going to store all the column data in that list, data list. Okay, call it. Now we have a data. Okay, now we have a list all these names. Got it? Now we need to call, you can see the read cell. Okay, now here we can't directly call B16 because we don't know which cell we have to call. So for that I'm going to remove this, and then here what we have to do, click on list, and okay, you can see the index in list thing. Okay, find the position of the thing in the list. Okay, it means which thing we have to find? We have to find the text box 1.text data. Suppose someone put the Harry. Okay, suppose this is the Harry. This in the third position, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so that will give us the 3. And in which list we have to find data? In this data. Okay, now that will give us the index value. Suppose if I put the Harry, so that will give me 3. So what I need to do here, join like this, and I'll know that this is the 3. Okay, this is the 3, and I know that email ID in a B column. Okay, so I'll simply put here the B, so that will become B3. Okay, so I can have data. So you can see the read cell and label 1.text get a data like this. Now let me just try how this will work. Okay, this is the name we have to put. So suppose I'm gonna put the Harry. Okay, I need to know the email ID of Harry. So click on get email, and you can see the harry@gmail.com. We got it. Now let's try some, Emily. Okay, I need a email ID of Emily. So click on get email. You see the emily@gmail.com. So you can get a data of anything. You can suppose you have the numbers or mobile number, anything you can put. So you can modify that code to get a different style of data. So this is overall video about how we can use the spreadsheet